Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Sorento brake light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a new brake light bulb, and some protective gloves. Open the rear liftgate to gain clear access to the taillight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your brake light. Now let's access the taillight assembly. You will find two retaining screws positioned on the inner edge of the taillight, visible once the liftgate is open. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew and remove both of these fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it from its clips. With the taillight assembly detached, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is typically the larger one. Twist this socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Then, firmly insert your new brake light bulb into the socket, ensuring it is seated correctly. To finish, reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place until it clicks. Reinstall the two retaining screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.